everyone and welcome to my channel. Tonight we are cooking steak. We wanted to have more fancy dinners at home. While Alvin is seasoning the steak, I'm charging our new smart wireless thermometer. This is from the brand Chef IQ, who is collaborating with me on this video. I was really excited to use this smart thermometer. I think it's so cool and innovative to incorporate into your cooking and help you cook meats, especially if you're someone like me who isn't really intuitive when it comes to cooking like meat and raw things. The thermometer connects to your smartphone and the app has a bunch of different recipes to choose from. It comes with a smart hub with a speaker and charging capability. It can also store a second thermometer probe if you choose to get another one. You get a charging cable, which is USB-C to USB-A, and the wireless smart thermometer probe, which is the thinnest smart thermometer. Just insert the temperature probe into the hub, turn it on, and it will speak to you and guide you through the cooking process.
Please open the Chef IQ app to connect to your device.
From the app, you'll select what type of meat you're cooking and how you want it cooked. So here I'm cooking a 1-inch sirloin steak and I want it to be medium rare. The app will give you step-by-step instructions on how to cook your meat. Here I am inserting the temperature probe. You want to hold it parallel to the surface and push it into the thickest part of the meat until the thinnest part of the probe is no longer visible. Make sure the smart hub is fully charged and in range nearby wherever you're cooking so that you get accurate temperature readings. This thermometer measures internal temperature as well as ambient temperature. There's 4 advanced temperature sensors. You get over 40 hours of cook time with a full charge, wirelessly connects over Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and it's waterproof and easy to clean. Keep in mind that the temperature probe shouldn't touch the pan because that'll give a higher temperature reading and the app will think that the steak is already done cooking when it hasn't been on the pan for long. So it was definitely trial and error for me. I didn't get accurate readings the first time, but I reached out to support and they gave me some pointers. If you don't normally cook steaks, I think this thermometer probe would be perfect for slow roasting meats, for stews or soups. The possibilities are endless. If you would like to try Chef IQ's smart wireless thermometer, I will link it down below and you can start cooking smarter today. Showered and got ready. My family got matching PJs, so that's the outfit today. Just a little attempt to stay in the holiday spirit even though Christmas already passed. Let's make breakfast. Happy New Year, everyone. It is that time of the year, so I'm pretty tired of my hair. I just want to change. I'm thinking of like trimming it, cutting it a little bit shorter. And the biggest change, I'm gonna try to cut myself some bangs. So we'll see how that goes. It's just time for like a refresh. So here is the before. I'm gonna trim my hair and then I'll come back. So I cut like 2 inches off. I'm just gonna like slightly layer. I'm not a hairstylist by any means, so I'm just like totally wing this. Keep this for my bangs. Okay, let's move on to the bangs. Okay, this is like the first layer. I tried sectioning. I'm so nervous. Like, what if I just like totally mess this up? Oh my God. choppy, definitely in my eyes, but I feel like when I curl them, they'll be out of my eyes. Let's try the next layer. I have thin hair, so I'm afraid that my face will look very full. That feels like so much hair. That was not straight up. That's so choppy. Did I cut too much? Okay, let's just like blend it into the framing pieces. Notice how I didn't say anything. This is the face of instant regret.